Hi everyone and welcome to another video. The markets are red today. As we can see, there is about 2% correction happening in the markets today. In a healthy uptrend, this is something that we do want to see. We do want to see pullbacks in a healthy bull market. So I would say that right now where it is not something to be worried about. As we can see from a very long-term perspective, these kind of pullbacks are very normal, and actually signs of a healthy bull market. So even though the markets overall are down, I have entered a short put position in Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. This is a company that builds graphic cards and processors for computers. It's been around for a long time. I remember back when I was like in my teens and learning how to build computers from scratch. I remember AMD was one of the choices that my team members, my colleagues would pick, because firstly it was cheaper. It was also pretty reliable. So AMD has been around ever since. It's been more than 20 years, and as we can see from the chart, overall it is in a long-term uptrend. So I've already taken the position because the markets were moving quite quickly earlier. So let me just tell you what the position is. From a technical standpoint, it is in a general uptrend. We see many bounces off the 55 exponential moving average in the history of this stock, and there's a very strong support line over here. There is also a line somewhere in this region which has acted as resistance in the past and perhaps may act as support today. So earlier in the market session, when AMD was around here, I went short on a put option with a strike price of $84, 4 days to expiration, so it's going to expire on Friday. So this option was priced around between 1 to 120. I pocketed a premium of $110. So if AMD stays above $84 by this Friday, the $110 will just be my dividend that I've collected, even though I do not even own the stock. But if it falls below, then I would buy it at $84, but minus the premium. Essentially, I would have bought the stock at $83. Let's take a look at the fundamentals. So AMD key ratios, revenue has been increasing. Net income, it was negative for a number of years, but then it's been increasing very quickly, especially in 2020 due to the pandemic situation. People had to work from home, and that led to a demand for electronic devices that would help people to work from home. Operating cash flow also has been increasing, and so has free cash flow. The net margin is way above the 10 right now, and interest coverage is more than sufficient for the debt of the company. Seen under financial health, it is really quite negligible at the moment. The valuation, we see that the price to earnings ratio figure of 36.2 is way below the 5-year average of 138.2, and this is because their earnings have been increasing quite substantially, and therefore the price to earnings ratio has fallen quite substantially. So that basically is the trade. Really short one today, and we shall see how this trade plays out this week. Thanks for watching. If these videos have been helpful for you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, In this channel, I talk about how I use value investing principles to trade US equity options. And we'll catch you again in the next video.